right. Should be streaming. So we're back here. I've just got an OpenFOAM test running in the background. I've got it going for 800 seconds to make sure that we are getting convergence properly. This is lab 2 stuff, but I think instead of continuing with this shit... Ooh. Yeah, I think I might just skip this question because I'm taking way too much time on it, and I could either be working on the assignment or practicing something else. Yeah, I think I could do this one easily enough. Question 2 is kicking my gonads, so I'm going to skip it. So here, write a function that gives the list of countries. So it's going to be called unique countries. I can see what I need for this. I need a result list and the list that I have. And basically, I need a helper function that checks if an item is in my result list, and if it's not, to add it. So we can pretty easily define the trivial case. We'll first need a function called define inList, and it's going to be the item or literal or I don't know what would it be, element, lm, and list are going to be the two parameters. I'll define the function body later. I will actually just comment it out for now because I know I'm going to need that helper function, but I don't want to deal with it right now. So define unique countries. Countries. And a list L. And we want to go to the function body. We can start with our cond condition. First one, trivial case, which is if L is empty, return null. Okay, now I got to think about the return list. Is that going to be a let function required? Am I going to need the let? Probably. Okay. So what I want to do is pass in a... Yeah, I could probably do let and in there have a recursive helper function that does this sort of shit. And then for the let, the return or the result list is just going to be 0 for now, like an empty list. Like that'll be its initial value. That seems good to me. Let's just recall how let is worked. I don't like let rec. I can't make sense of it. Named let just makes more sense to me. Yeah, let rec lets you define a fucking lambda, but I don't want a named lambda. It was just way easier just to define f. Oh, that's an interesting question to ask. When would I use let rec over a named let in scheme? Mutual recursion. So you might Write a recursive function that you want to be within the function scope and bind it to a name using letrec. Yep, I know that. But I can just do that with a named let. Okay, perhaps the AI overview is better. Define multiple functions that call each other, or when you need to perform setup work before initiating a recursion. Two or more local procedures that are mutually recursive, as namelet only binds a single identifier for self-recursion. Ah, that makes sense. Do we see that in the notes for letrec? I don't think we do. Yeah, a named let also allows recursion. Variable, yeah, variable 1, value 1, variable 2, value 2, expression. Name. Is that more coffee?
It's my microwave.
Oh, okay.
I'm coming to work.
Okay. That's still going. It's about halfway done. I should probably actually watch my stream, make sure it's going properly. Yeah. Alright, that's the stream. Goodie. Yeah, it's fine to have it open. It's fine. Okay, so what do I want to do? I want that open. I want to go through. So I'll probably actually want the named let here. I had that problem last time. Oh. Cleaning off your desk?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't worry, it's not permanent. It's just I want to wipe off my desk.
Okay. Let's try using letrec just for funsies.
Oh, so you really have a knack sitting in the wrong locations.
Is equivalent to...
Yes.
Okay. Okay, yeah. There's a difference there. No, okay. Okay, so we'll go here. And we'll start with a named let because that's the definition that I know better. And so we'll call it let f. So what do I need in here? I need my results and then I need the countries. The list. Results. Yeah. Should be able to get away with... What is it now? Results. And that's just going to be empty for now. And then also I need list. That's going to be L that's passed through. Okay, so that's function body. Yep. So we'll start with the condition. First condition is if If list is empty, null list. Stop it. Shoo. Then I guess just return empty. And then the next condition is, yes. So now I need to get into unique countries, or in there, find in list. Yeah, so let's define that real quick then, since I have to do it anyways. Okay. So define in list lem. Yeah, so we'll create first condition. I guess we could just do it in F. It's either is the car or it's not the car. Yeah. How does an if work? Does an if have to go in there? I think it does. Let me double check. Quote function if. Okay, if does have to be in its own thing here, but I think it already is. Yeah, it's already in a function body. It should be fine. Ah! Yeah, it should be fine to do if here. So if, and then we need condition. So it's going to be equals, and it's going to be a lem. It's going to be dash lem. And then it's going to be car of list. Lowercase list. And if that's true, then we return /t. If not, then we call in list with the lem on the computer of list. Yeah, that should be proper. I'll comment all this stuff out. All right, 43, there's incorrect syntax. Run? No? Where's it? Bastard, you were hiding on me. Okay, sure. Define in list. We're not define in list. I want to do in list. I want to see if, hello there, how do you do? If do exists in, or I guess just 5. We'll go with 5. 1, 4, 5, 3, 2. Piss off. All right, what's this? Contract violation expected a pair given this. Okay, so what's happening? First, we check the condition, and if it's equals a lem in the car of the list. Okay, so we'll just do that. Equals 5 with a car of 1, 4, 5, just for simplicity's sake. I should just return false. Now I am putting that in there. my worry is if I put that there, is that going to give me the same problem? False. Okay. Now an interesting question. I'm going to find Scooter here. True. Okay, now what if I get rid of the apostrophe? True. Okay, so it doesn't matter. We're good. We're fine. So what's happening here? Contract violation, expected a pair. A pair of what? So we're taking the car of 14532. That should be 1. Yeah, it's 1. What if I get rid of that? Copy this. Run. True. It was literally just that. Okay. Okay, now we'll do enlist, but we'll do, I don't know, Canada. This is Canada or Russia. Canada, Finland. True. Okay, so we're fine. We're fine. All right. Okay, so enlist works. Okay, condition. If list is null, then we just return empty list. Elsewise, we want to check if okay, if enlist.
Hey, cutie.
Hey, beautiful.
How long are you planning on streaming? Because I also need to get work done, and it's a lot easier to get work done without the stream of consciousness.
Okay.
It's just a genuine question. I'm not trying to shame you or anything.
No.
Just because I would like to get a good hour of work in.
Okay. I could take a break for streaming for an hour then.
If that would be possible.
Yeah, I can do that.
Just because I focus best when I don't have like any audio input, like a YouTube video or something, which I would need if you're gonna be in the background, and I just really want to get this. I really want to get a